Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play ukulele in Genshin Impact. First, you will need to acquire the Windsong Lyre gadget, typically available through special in-game events like Peculiar Wonderland. Once obtained, open your inventory, navigate to the gadget section, and equip it. This instrument allows you to play various notes and create melodies. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the basic controls and the note layout to get started. The Windsong Lyre offers a range of notes, spanning 2 full octaves from C to B. You can interact with these notes using your keyboard or controller, depending on your preferred input method. Each key or button corresponds to a specific note, allowing you to construct intricate melodies. Don't be afraid to experiment with various note combinations and rhythms to discover your own unique musical style within the game. To elevate your ukulele playing, consider exploring online communities for fan-made sheet music of popular songs. Consistent practice is key to mastering rhythm and timing, which will significantly enhance your musical performances. Many players find it helpful to record their sessions, allowing them to critically review their playing and identify areas for improvement. This dedicated approach will help you become a more skilled in-game musician. One of the most enjoyable aspects is sharing your musical talents with others. Invite friends to your world in co-op mode and perform your latest compositions. Many online communities host music challenges and events where you can showcase your skills and even learn new arrangements from fellow players. It's a fantastic way to connect, inspire, and be inspired by the creative musical community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.